see about multimodal physiological signal emotion recognition based on convolutional recurrent neural network. We are going to discuss about overview of our project. So the main objective of our project is to identify emotion recognition from EEG signals. So here we are used deep data set, that is the deep EEG data set. So with the help of the data sets we need used. So emotion is the most important component in daily interaction between people. Nowadays, it is important to make the computers understand users' emotion who interacts with it in human computer interaction systems. So the EEG signals are the main source of emotion in our body. Recently, emotion recognition based on EEG signals have attracted many researchers and many methods were reported. Different type of features were extracted from EEG signals. Then different types of classifiers were applied to these features. In the system, we can implement the different classification algorithms such as random forest and convolutional neural network for recognizing the different emotions effectively. Then finally, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and effort score. And then we can compare both algorithms based on accuracy. So this is the abstract of our project. Now we are going to discuss about flow of our project. So this is the flow diagram. First we need to take deep EEG data set. So first we need to read our input on signal. So these are the contains a n number of mat files. So we need to read our one input signal from our data set. Then pre-processing. So here we need to remove the unwanted noises from chosen input signal by using finite impulse response, that is the FIR. So then the pre-processed signal is carried out to the data splitting model. In this step we can split the whole data set into test and training. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Majority of the data is present in training part and smaller portion of the data is present in testing part. The splitter data is carried out to classification module. In this step, we can implement two different classification algorithms such as convolutional neural network and random forest. So the classified data. So with the help of the classified our trained data, so we can predict the emotion, like what kind of emotion, like it is arousal or liking or valence. Then finally we can estimate some performance analysis such as accuracy, precision, and recall. Then visualization. So here we can compare both algorithms based on accuracy. So this is the flow of our project. uh, Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the input signal which we are collected from our data set. Then pre-process the data. So this is the FIR code. We need to filter the or remove the unwanted noises from our input signal. So this is the sample. This is the architecture for your FIR. These are the, so based on these two our input signal, so we can remove the unwanted noises. Then data splitting. So this is the total number of data and this is the total number of trained data and total number of test data. Then finally we can implemented the two algorithms, one is random forest and um, CNN. So in random forest we got a 88% accuracy. So in CNN they have a three layers. One is input, hidden, and output. So these are the layers which is implemented in our corresponding project. So in CNN, so we got accuracy 79 percentage. So our input signal is identified or recognized the emotion as arousal. So then comparison graph for both random forest and CNN. This is the output of our project. Thank you.